Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this CIGMAN 360 green laser level tool model CM701. Make your job much easier with this green laser level. Is a compact, practical option for basic cross-line leveling work. It is reliable and tough for professional to users at various job sites, such as suitable for flooring, tiling, ceiling, molding installation. Helps you with a home decoration, wall construction, bridge construction, engineering construction, railway construction. There are so many jobs that you can use this laser level. Well, let's open to see what we have inside. Of course, we are going to test it to see how it works, how it can perform in the real condition. Ooh, CIGMAN, nice buckets, nice bag. Very durable with a handle. You can take it with you wherever you want. Great. Oh, and nice protection inside, foam everywhere to protect your precious laser and everything included inside. Well, let's see one by one. And the last, we've got the laser. Ooh, feels very nice. Well, we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this tool. And the cable Type-C, Type A to Type-C, very good to charge this unit. We've got the laser target blade. It can stand just like that. It has magnet, and it has from 0 to 4 centimeters and from 0 to 1.5 inch. We've got the remote control to control this unit, V1, H, V2, and decreasing the laser brightness. Very convenient, very nice. You don't have to use every time the buttons on the laser, and maybe accidentally you will move it and lose the position. That's why it is more suitable to use it with the remote control. Next, we've got the magnetic 360L base. Nice. I like there is a magnet, rubber around. It can go here, you can screw it, and then with the magnets you can put it at any metal surface. The mini tripod base, screw here, and you can screw it, of course, in the same position, and here. Tied it very well with a screw inside. Fits are adjustable, you can unscrew them maybe and find the right position at the floor and wherever you have installed it. Adjust it, you can adjust it from here. You can make slight adjustments. Nice. And because it has this 1.4 screw hole, you can work and with a tripod. Now at the unit, we can see we've got the USB Type-C connection for charging. It has 4000 milliamps battery included inside, and it will last long enough to work hours with this unit. Take out the cable. You can charge it on a 5 volt, or you can charge it with your power bank. And we can see it's charging. We've got the 4 LED indicators, 25, 50, 75 and 100% charging. Nice. Now at the unit we've got the on-off switch. Just press and hold and it will turn on the laser. Oh my god. And you can increase the brightness of the laser. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 brightness mode. And press and hold and it will turn off. Next we've got the V1 button. It is for the front vertical laser window. By pressing you can turn it on or off. The H horizontal laser window, it is for this laser. You can press it on or off. The V2, it is the side laser window. At the side we've got the self-leveling mode, lock and unlock. And it will turn on automatically, and we can see when it's out of alignment it turns red here, green and red, and you can turn it off. Great. And the logo CIGMAN. Overall, I can say it feels very nice to my hand. The old construction feels all the material very friendly. It is a soft material around. Nice. And it's quite small, fits to the palm, but quite powerful. It's doing a great job. Of course, we are going to find out together how it's working. 12 lines full layout, the 360 laser can cover the ceiling, walls and floor, allowing you to easily complete the layout of the entire room. Reliable accuracy at 100 feet or 30 meters, which makes user feel confident in their alignment work. Now I have installed it to my tripod. Let's turn it on. It is auto leveling, and as we can see, in the entire room, 360 is doing these all laser lines. And you can decorate your space, install a paint, and definitely you will find the correct position, the correct alignment with this laser. And all these laser lines are going in all the room. And with the remote control you can turn off the vertical one, the V2, the 8. You can turn off or on and make the adjustments. And of course you can decrease the brightness and increase. Or put it at the floor, do some renovation, maybe tile installation, make the adjustments from here, alignment better. Take the remote control, turn off what you don't want, maybe the V1 or the V2 or the H, and again decreasing, increasing the brightness of the laser. Or you can put it on a metal surface. It has magnets, this L base, and you can make the adjustments down here where you want to tighten it, not go anywhere, and adjust it around how you want, tighten it well, and then turn it on and adjust what you want from the remote. The varieties of positions that you can install this laser level. Find the right position that you want to install this laser target plate, and then from the laser do the adjustments. Find the center, and then you can mark the area. And of course, if you want, you can take this out. This is a magnet. You can nail it at the wall with this hole. Great. Well guys, that was all about this CIGMAN laser level tool. As you can see at the test, it's doing a great job. Great laser line, very clear, very accurate. And definitely it will do the job at the place you will install it and have some measurements, have some straight lines and do your job at your home and as a professional. If you consider to buy such kind of laser, you can check down below to the description all about the product and where you can find it, more information. That was all guys, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.